I'm going to show you how to convert a picture into an Excel table in this video. We're going to use a tool that I've been using for over a year now, and I'm pretty impressed with them. Let me show you what we're working with today. This is a sample image. It's just a PNG file. It's an inventory sheet of a bunch of items and a bunch of different information about each item. So we got your standard spreadsheet format, but it's just a screenshot, right? So somebody takes a picture of something with their phone and they need to take it over into Excel. How do we do that? Well, Lido is the tool that I've been using for a while, and I like them for creating automations that you would otherwise have to learn computer programming, a bunch of fancy AI tools, whatnot. They got it baked into their software. Up here is a menu that will probably get renamed because it's not just for PDF data extraction. We can now do an image. So we click this, and you can also access it by just right-clicking down here, right-clicking, and then saying PDF data extractor. We're going to click to upload. I'm going to grab that inventory list image. It's going to do its little AI thinking thing here. And right out of the gate, it's going to identify that here are the columns we probably want information on. And you can see that it does a good job of getting all the columns that are listed on that PNG file. So if you want to make manual edits, you can also, if we wanted to get rid of that discontinued column, we could just exit out there and check it out here. In our spreadsheet, it's actually it removed that column from our spreadsheet. So let's add it back in. Discontinued, I can spell, and then right there, you see we've got it. Boom. Now, down here, we've got extra instructions. So this is not a requirement, but if we want to add extra instructions, we can. We don't need it for this simple inventory sheet. I'm going to delete that. But if we wanted to, we could just type stuff in like you would be asking a regular assistant, hey, make sure you put dollar values or currency values in such and such column, things like that. Makes it pretty easy, and it's just like you were talking to a real human there. Down below that, what we do want is to leave this checked, extract multiple rows per column, because if you recall, our image has multiple rows of data. So we want multiple rows per document. That's going to just ensure that we bring in all of the actual inventory items. I'm going to click Process Files right down there at the bottom, and then we should see here in just a few moments over here in our spreadsheet side of things, this will actually light up with all of our values. Boom. How about that? I think this is great. It sure beats the heck out of manually typing stuff in or even copying and pasting it, assuming you can get that PNG file into some sort of a format where something is reading the text out of it. This just automates it for us. Now, if you want to get all these values into Excel, you can just come up here to the three little dots and you can export your values straight from here to whatever format that you need it in. Now, I've been really impressed with Lido. Like I said, I've been partnering with them and using them for over a year. You can check out my link in the description if you want to see if this works for your business, for your use case. They do have a free tier and a free trial that you can try out, so you can just see if these automations and tools make sense for you. Try out this video as well if you're wanting to see how to convert regular old PDFs into Excel tables and an Excel worksheet format. Hope you have a great one, and talk to you next time.